Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our physics class. I hope all the students may complete the problems on field of a bar magnet as well as couple acting on the bar magnet. Right. So, I will revise the formulas once again. So torque acting on the bar magnet tau is equal to mb sin theta, where theta is the angle made by the magnetic dipole with the field direction. Vector form can be represented by tau bar is equal to m bar cross p bar. Again, work done to rotate the dipole from an angle theta 1 to theta 2 is given by w is equal to mb into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Potential energy of the dipole U is equal to minus mb cos theta, or this implies U is equal to minus m bar dot b bar. And the dot product of m and b gives the value of potential energy of the magnet. Suppose if theta 0, U minimum, that should be equal to minus mb. This position is called stable equilibrium. And if theta is equal to 180 degrees, potential energy will be maximum, that is equivalent to plus mb, and this situation or position is called unstable equilibrium. Right. Now in this class, let us thoroughly explain what type of motion exhibits a freely suspended magnetic dipole in the uniform magnetic induction field B. Suppose it is the uniform magnetic induction field. Uniform magnetic induction field B, it is going from down to bottom, bottom to top in the direction of P. In the uniform magnetic induction field, a bar magnet of magnetic moment capital M is suspended freely such that initially the magnet lies along the field direction. Suppose if a small force is applied on one pole of the magnet so that it is pulled on one side, through a small angle theta and released, what happens? The magnetic dipole itself, it will try to rotate along the field direction. That means there is some torque developed on the magnetic dipole which is called as the restoring torque, because this torque will try to rotate the dipole in the initial position or in equilibrium position. That's why it is called as the restoring torque, to restore the initial position or initial equilibrium. Right? Why? Because if the magnet is turned through some angle with the field direction, there is some force acting on the north pole which is equivalent to F is equal to mb, and the force F is equal to mb is also acting on the south pole. These two are the equivalent opposite forces. These two forces forms a couple. This will try to rotate the dipole in what direction? Anti-clockwise direction. That means these two forces try to rotate the dipole along the field direction. That's why these two forces forms a couple, and this couple is called as the restoring couple. Again, the restoring couple or the torque acting on the dipole is given by tau is equal to mb sin theta. Okay. Tau equal to mb sin theta. Therefore, on rotating the dipole starting from this position, it is released freely while going the magnetic needle along this direction with respect to an axis passing through the center and perpendicular to length of the magnet. This is the axis of rotation. That's why along this axis, this magnet will try to rotate like this. As the bar magnet is released from this position, it will move along this direction so that its velocity goes on increasing, and velocity will be maximum while it is going along the field direction. Due to inertia, the magnet will once again try to move like this. So at this position, again the restoring torque that will try to rotate the dipole in the field direction means its velocity while going from this position to this position should be decreases until its velocity becomes zero. Now again, due to restoring torque, this will try to rotate along this direction, its velocity maximum, so that the total dipole will execute simple harmonic motion about the point B. Simple harmonic motion. Let us prove that the motion of the needle about the point B is simple harmonic motion, and also we'll derive the formula for time period as well as frequency of the dipole in the uniform magnetic induction field.